I am proud of the initiatives of the Duterte administration in making sure that no Filipino is left behind when it comes to education. It was President Rodrigo Duterte who signed into law Republic Act number 10931 or the Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act. The passage of this law was not a walk in the park. During the deliberations of this measure in the cabinet, economic managers expressed reservations over its fiscal impact, but we never wavered in our belief that free education is an investment in the country's future. Muntik na po itong nabito dahil may mga concerns po ang ating economic managers, pero alam po ni Chairman Popoy de Vera yan na pinaglaban po natin ito until the last minute. Finally, bilang SAPNO na Special Assistant to the President, piniliwanag natin sa Pangulo along with the CHED at napirmahan niya po ito at naging batas na po ito ngayon.